This is perhaps one of the most unusual mobile devices you'll see today. Zoom Technologies has unveiled its unique self-balancing electric skateboards known as Zoom shoes. Zoom shoes are equipped with two powerful 350-watt motors, allowing them to reach speeds of up to 12 kilometers per hour. Weighing just 7 kilograms, they are lightweight and easy to carry. A full battery charge takes about 2 hours and provides up to 1.5 hours of continuous use, making them perfect for short city trips. What sets Zoom shoes apart is their ability to automatically maintain balance, making them safe and easy to use for people of all ages. Additionally, they are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, making them versatile for various environments. The company Watercar has unveiled one of the most thrilling and unique vehicles, the H1 Panther. This amphibious car combines the capabilities of a powerful off-road vehicle with those of a high-speed boat. The H1 Panther was created by completely disassembling original Humvee vehicles and reworking them using modern materials. Heavy steel and cast iron parts were replaced with lightweight aluminum and stainless steel components. On land, the H1 Panther is equipped with a Chevrolet LS3 gasoline engine, delivering 395 horsepower and 508 Newton-meters of torque. On water, it is powered by a Mercury Bravo 2 marine engine, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour. The vehicle can switch to boat mode in just 20 seconds and achieve planing speed in 6 seconds. With a fuel capacity of 144 liters, it offers a range of up to 154 kilometers on water and up to 611 kilometers on land. An unexpected new product from Pelagian, the Hydroblade, has been unveiled to the world. According to the developers, it is a revolutionary electric hydrofoil that promises to change the perception of water sports. The Hydroblade is equipped with two electric motors, each reaching a peak power of 8 kilowatts and a continuous power of 5 kilowatts. These engines allow the Hydroblade to reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest e-foils on the market. The design of the Hydroblade is both unique and functional. Unlike most hydrofoils, it features handles that provide better stability and control. The Hydroblade weighs just 104 kilograms, thanks to the use of lightweight composite materials and impact-resistant ABS plastic coating. The device is 3.5 meters long, and its design allows for easy transportation and storage. The battery modules are located on the deck and can be easily removed for recharging or replacement, making the device easier to operate and maintain. At the ACT Expo 2024 in Las Vegas, Kenworth unveiled its concept truck called the Super Truck 2. The design and production of this truck took over 5 years. Its appearance resembles a high-speed train, thanks to its streamlined shape and well-thought-out aerodynamic solutions, which reduce air resistance by 48% compared to previous models. Inside the cabin, the driver sits in the center, and all gauges are displayed on a large 15-inch screen, with 2 additional monitors on the sides for cameras. The Kenworth Super Truck 2 is not an electric vehicle, but it's also not purely diesel. The presence of a battery automatically makes it a hybrid. The new truck has a curb weight of 11,793 kilograms, which is 3,220 kilograms less than its production counterpart. Additionally, all of the manufacturer's modifications have increased the payload capacity of the Super Truck 2 and significantly improved fuel efficiency, just 18.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Engineers from Future Motion have introduced an upgraded electric unicycle called the Onewheel GTS series, designed to enhance the riding experience through increased power, comfort, and improved control. The GTS series model can reach a top speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour. This high speed is achieved thanks to a powerful 130-volt motor, which provides significantly more torque and better stability at high speeds. This allows riders to confidently navigate challenging terrain, such as steep climbs or rocky trails. One of the key features of the new model is its adaptability and versatility. The Onewheel GTS series is suitable for both urban commuting and extreme off-road adventures. The price for the GTS series starts at $2,900. BMW has taken its passion for innovation beyond the automotive industry with the creation of the Icon, an extraordinary flying glass yacht. The Icon is a 13.5-meter hydrofoil yacht designed to provide an emission-free and luxurious experience. The yacht's design is inspired by the principles of Japanese origami, featuring sharp and angular lines that give it a futuristic and dynamic appearance. One of the most innovative aspects of the Icon is its propulsion system. The yacht is powered by two 100-kilowatt electric motors, which are energized by 6 batteries from the BMW i3 electric vehicle. This setup provides the yacht with a top speed of 30 knots, or about 55 kilometers per hour, and a range of 50 nautical miles or 92 kilometers on a single charge. The use of hydrofoil technology allows the Icon to lift itself out of the water as it gains speed, reducing water resistance and energy consumption by up to 80%. Bell's autonomous pod transport is a groundbreaking family of unmanned aerial vehicles developed by Bell Textron. There are several models in the APT family, each with distinct specifications tailored to different needs. The APT-70, for example, is a mid-sized model designed for a wide range of missions, from package delivery to medical transport and disaster relief. It has a maximum payload capacity of 32 kilograms and can achieve a top speed of 222 kilometers per hour. Its operational range is approximately 56 kilometers with a full payload, which can be extended up to 105 kilometers when flying without cargo, but equipped with additional batteries. Another model, the APT-100, was developed with the military in mind, featuring modular components for easy assembly and disassembly in the field. The APT-100 aims to offer a scalable platform that could eventually carry up to 450 kilograms of cargo, significantly expanding its utility in both military and commercial fields. The company Electronautic has unveiled its latest electric hydrofoil named Waveflyer, which promises to revolutionize personal watercrafts. The Waveflyer is an electric hydrofoil equipped with an advanced automatic stabilization system that allows it to glide almost silently over the water, creating no waves and minimizing environmental impact. At speeds over 15 kilometers per hour, the Waveflyer lifts above the water's surface, reaching a maximum speed of around 40 kilometers per hour. Unlike traditional hydrofoils, this model is designed for extended use, offering up to 4 hours of ride time on a single charge. Electronautic plans to release 2 models, the Waveflyer Rogue for family recreation and the Waveflyer Rogue X for thrill seekers. The first model is intended for comfortable cruising at a top speed of 37 kilometers per hour and can accommodate up to 2 people, while the second is for those seeking adrenaline-fueled adventures at speeds exceeding 74 kilometers per hour. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Caro Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.